Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Sa mga bago pa lang sa channel ko, please consider to subscribe at i-hit mo na rin yung bell button below para naman ma-notify ka every time na meron ako mga bagong video tutorial katulad nito. For today's video tutorial, ang gagawin natin is textured SC HDC DC combo, or we can call it combination of single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. This is friendly beginner. To go with this project, kakailanganin natin or gagamitin natin milk cotton soft acrylic yarn, a 3.5 mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start with, we have to do a chain multiple of 3 plus 2. So now we are going to do a chain foundation. First, we have to do a slip knot. Sa mga bago pa lang, pwede nyo balikan yung mga previous video ko. Nandun kung paano gumawa ng slip knot and other type of stitches. So, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Remember, multiple of 3. So, this is 18 chain plus 2. 1, 2. And to start our row foundation or foundation row, so second chain from hook, 1 and 2, we're gonna do single crochet. Single crochet in each stitch until end of the row. Okay, until end of the row. Almost done for the single crochet. So this is our foundation row, and to move on to row 1, chain 2, 1, 2, then turn. On the first single crochet, we're going to do 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. So this is the first single crochet here. We're going to do single crochet. Next is half double crochet, and next is double crochet. Like this. So in one stitch, we're going to do a 3 type of stitches, which is single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. And next, we're going to skip the next 2 single crochet. So this one, 1, 2. We're going to skip the next 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and on the next single crochet, we're going to do the next cluster, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Repeat this process until end of the row. Should be like this. Next, skip the next 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and make another cluster for the next single crochet. half double crochet and double crochet. Should be like this. Again, skip the next 2 single crochet and work a new cluster on the next single crochet. Okay, and now double crochet. This is how it look like. And then repeat the process across, ending with 1 single crochet in the last single crochet, then turn. I almost done for the last cluster. This is the double crochet for the last cluster. As you can see here, you have remaining 3 single crochet. So on the last single crochet, we're going to do single crochet. 1, skip the 2, 1, 2, and then on the next single crochet, we're going to do a single crochet, then turn. Like this. So, and to proceed to row 2, chain 2, 1, 2, then turn. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet in first single crochet. So here, the first single crochet, we're gonna do cluster, single crochet. Next is half double crochet, and next is double crochet. Like this. For more clear, 1, 2, we're going to skip this next 2 stitches or next 2 chain. 1, 2, and on the next chain or next stitches, we're going to do a single crochet or another cluster. Next, half double crochet in the same stitch and double crochet in the same stitch. Look like this. And the same process, skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and on the next stitch, do a cluster or make a cluster. Half double crochet, double crochet. Repeat process across. I'm now on the last cluster. Skip the next 2 chain or next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and make the last cluster in the next stitch. Single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. So this is our last cluster, and then skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and make a single crochet in the last stitch. Should be like this. This is how we end up our row 1 and 2. You always can add your desired measurement or length as long as the chain multiple of 3 plus 2. Pwede natin itong gawin na scarf or pillowcase. That's all for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy it at sana may natutunan kayo, and please consider to subscribe At i-hit mo na rin yung bell button below para naman ma-notify ka every time na meron ako mga bagong video tutorial katulad nito. Muli po, maraming salamat and see you on my next video.